Well, welcome back. uh, I just did this, and I am doing it to um, to describe something that we see in our everyday lives. This is a table, my own sample table, and in our today's world of programming and technology, people use a lot of records. People store records in databases, and they usually display them in form of tables, and it's really cool to see values coming out from the database, and you don't have to do most of the work. What all you have to do is insert, and it's okay, you view them. Well, now assuming we have 1,000 records, and it looks like this. We have name column, we have address, we have country, and in the name we have like Williams. We have maybe 100 Williams, 100 people with the name Williams, but different addresses, and probably 50 of them are from the same country. Now, and we would like to find this particular William with address 3 and from Nigeria. Well, that's when search comes in. People search for things because you can go on scrolling down looking for Williams that does that, from 1,000 records. It's really hectic, and well, I don't need to tell you how that is. So there's a query in SQL that's responsible for doing searches. Well, I won't use this because phpMyAdmin is just to view and add, and well, you can actually do the query. There's a place where you can do SQL. Which is here, and you can type your query here. But since we are actually doing it within our command prompt, so I believe we continue and it will still be the same thing. So now what we would like to do is to use, first of all, tutorial 2, and yeah, we are using it, right? So well, I would like to select all from not admin but demo. Since we have a new DB, a new table, we have demo, we have first value, we have second value, right? And well, now this is the whole thing we have in the table, and what we would like to do is to find all the records that contain. Why don't we try our insert query, and it will be easy to do some of the descriptions. So insert into demo, and the field name is demo, values, let's say first match. We do another one, second match. Oh, it's already match. Yeah, and probably let's see third match or third value, anyone, just to make the difference, right? And when we say select all from demo, we should be able to have more values to use. Now the query, the keyword used in SQL to do such searches is called like. It is the like keyword, like. So how does it work? Well, it's a select query. So select, now you indicate the field name you want to select, or it can be or right, and you give a condition where now you select the column name. In this case, name, address, and country are column names, right? But in example we're doing, it should be the ones there. So where column name or field name, as the case may be, where field name like, then we use this, the percentage. So desired search term, let me name it this way, desired search term. Okay, now select field name, it can be all, select all, from, there has to be from which DB, from table name. So select all, or the particular field name you want to view from the table where the field name will correspond to be like what you entered, right? Alright, so let's try it out on this to see how it works. So in our case, we'll select all the records. So select all from demo, where the field name, which is demo, like, we use the ampersand, we use the asterisk, right, the percentage. Let's see, we would like to search for all records that contain first in them. First, and exactly. Now one should expect errors in any programming you do. This isn't actually programming, but it's a language, and well, you can consider it that because it's a key factor in it. And now we have, let's check it out again. Select all from the table where the column name, which is demo, is like that. Well, let's try it again. And in my general whatever, like general like description, I was supposed to make this in quotes and end it with semicolon. So let's try it again. Select all from this, where this is this, and let's add the quotes, indicating that this is actually what it's supposed to be. And well, we have our results returned, and it has returned all the values that contain first in them, like first. So let's see what other thing has, well, it means some record with ID 1 and record with ID 3 has that. Let's try second, and record with ID 2 and record with ID 4 has that. Well, let's see which one has like many of the records. Well, let's see, there's an A in all the records, but that's not advisable. Let's use the E. So to show you how this is actually can be used for single. Okay, so select all from demo where the field name as demo, like this, right? So let's say has an E in it. Once every record has E in it, it should show us. And we have this that has E it has E, and it has E. And that's how basically search engine works. Search engines, people use searches within their own applications, and that's the exact kind of query they use. Well, that's what we call, you can take this out. So now this for both sides is for right, and well, if you want it to search, you see the difference, you see. So like E, right? Okay, so what we have is, it has E in the first one, can you see that, and E in the second one, and we have E as second in this third one, but look at it, it doesn't display because it has second. And well, this is what actually one of the things you can do with like queries, and you can turn over like using this and check out empty set. Well, you need to check more on this, but basically what you actually need is this query, and you just need to know that this is the general syntax, and while trying to implement a search query, this is what you use, and it is really going to work very well. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.